Are you looking to start a new hobby, but you aren't really on the active side and you want to do something more calming? My name is Don from Get Schooled, and my team has compiled a list of 15 very calming hobbies that you can do at any experience level. But before we even get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure to like and comment on this video. Alright, now that you guys have done that, I'm going to give you guys a little sneak preview into the list. Each of the hobbies that we've selected have been shown to alleviate stress, but no one hobby is perfect for everybody. I suggest that you try out each one of the hobbies and see which one works the best for you and which one brings you the most peace and joy. From baking to urban hiking to paint by numbers, we've created a vast list for you guys all over on getschooled.com. It's definitely worth taking a few minutes out of your day to check out. Do you already have a calming hobby that you enjoy and you want to share with others? Make sure to leave a comment down below and let us know what it is. For more, visit getschooled.com or text hello to 335577. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to us.